Hey guys, in this video I will show you some improvement for my EN01. I did a lot of improvement for the EN01, making it much more stable. So let me show you what we have right now. You can see here is what it looks like right now. So I changed the wheel to a larger one with a rubber, so this could provide better grip. If you look at the lower leg, so I remove the blocker, so it won't block the wheel anymore. Also, I add a small support, so even if it fall, it could automatically stand up because it's not very close to the floor. So let's also did some change for source code. So here is the part I changed. It's the rubber, so you can see the old wheel is much smaller. So okay, let's show you some design change. So we don't have too much change. Just small change make things different. Okay, let me show you what we changed for the 3D print. So now old one you need to lift it, but right now you don't need to do that. It just automatically stand up, and even you jump, it won't fall. It will automatically stand up. So here is the 3D print file. You can find the old one is smaller. So here is the main change I did. The wheel, you can see is much bigger because we want to get some more power on the wheel. So even we could change the speed of the motor, so the motor could export more power to the wheel with higher speed. So that will provide better grip. Okay, so here is the lower leg. Now you can see we don't have any cover with the wheel, so it could turn to any direction. Okay, so you can see it's much easier to put this wheel to the lower leg. It won't block your wheel. So yeah, I think that pretty much all change. Just this two part. You can download this two part and reprint this thing. Okay, here is the source code. Let me show you where the file, the model file. So you can find in the hardware folder and go into the robot mode and find the 3D print. You can find the 3 new file. This is for the left leg. Another one is for the right one. This is a new wheel, the larger wheel. So you can download this file and print that. Right now I upload the source code to the developer branch, but I will merge to the master branch. Okay, so another file change is this one. This is for the source code. There are 3 places we changed. The first one is the speed. Like I mentioned, we need the motor generates higher speed, which could transfer the power to the wheel. So even we change the speed higher over here, but actually one transfer to the device to the wheel, not change or not, because we change the size of the wheel. Yeah, if we know some basic physical rule. We know that the torque will not change. The speed change, you will get the same torque. Okay. So this one is about the angle. So we need to change the angle a little bit. Because even it's fall, we think okay, it still could stand up. So we need to change this value a little bit. So application know the bot is not fall, it still have the capability to stand up. So I changed this one a little bit. I did another test. So this is the best value we could use. It's also helpful for the jump. When you jump, even you fall a little bit, it still could still stand up. But originally, once the angle get to some value, it will think, oh, this bot is already full, so we don't need to have the motor running. But this one, we could keep the motor running even it fall. Yeah, we also change this value from 200 to 300. So yeah, same idea. Like we need transfer the power to the wheel. So even we have a higher speed, the wheel will not move that fast. The pot won't move very fast, but it get more strings. Yeah, this is the main change. Another one we change for the this one for the for this one. For the acceleration, yeah, the acceleration also will helpful for the for keep the device more stable when you're trying to jump. Yeah, and when you like change the height of the bot, it also will helpful. Okay, here is the final results. You can see even it's like right now, if stay there, even it on, once it's on, it will automatically stand up because it think, oh, it's not fall down, it still have a capability to stand up. So transfer some power to the motor, and the motor could get its stand up and set up the motor running quickly, and then you can send the power to the wheel, so the wheel will turn immediately. And the rubber provide more grip, so it could stand up immediately. Yeah, that is a very nice improvement. It's you don't need to lift the device when you turn it on. So you can see when it's jump, even it's like it's almost fall down, it will adjust the position immediately. It's also because we change the acceleration parameter. So you can see it will never get to fall down.